Hello dear kids, our today's lecture is of English, okay? So all of you open page number 51. Page number 51 is, okay. So our topic name is use of and. This is your CW, write down your CW and today's date, okay? Use of and. First of all, how to use and इन अ सेंटेंस में आपको एंड कब यूज करना होता है आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू ओके एंड इज यूज टू ग्रुप डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को डिफर करने के लिए डिफरेंट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होता है यूज एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पून एंड फोर्क टू डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर सेपरेटेड यूजिंग एंड अ स्पून and a fork. Another example, a bat and a ball. Bat, ball. Bat and a ball. Okay. So, exercise regarding this. Another example I will tell you. Boy and a girl. Boy and a girl. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं mother and father. Okay. ऑब्जेक्ट्स या फिर पर्सन को आपको डिफर करना है डिफरेंट बताना है दैट्स टाइम यू हैव टू यूज एंड ओके नाउ द एक्सरसाइज रिगार्डिंग दिस थिंक एंड राइट हियर इज द पिक्चर ऑफ लॉक की देन योर आंसर विल बी अ लॉक सेपरेट करना है आपको डिफर करना है एंड AND एंड अ की KEY की a lock and a key. Okay, now next picture, chair, table. So what we have to do here, a chair, 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 and a table, TABLE, table. Okay, now the last one. Here's a picture of one boy and girl. Then what you have to do here? कैसे लिखना है आपको यूज ऑफ एंड कैसे करना है आप लिखोगे अ बॉय एंड अ गर्ल ओके इस तरीके से आपको क्या करना है एंड का यूज करना है किसी पर्सन ऑब्जेक्ट को डिफर करने के लिए पर्सन को डिफर करने के लिए आप क्या यूज करोगे AND एंड टू यूज एंड टू ग्रुप डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ओके नाउ लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा था हाउ टू यूज I U we ओके तो साथ ही साथ में हम आज I U we और यूज ऑफ एंड इसके रिगार्डिंग एक क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करेंगे ठीक है Now it's time to write in your 4-line notebook. So first of all, write down your CW and today's date. Okay? The topic. So this question is including 2 chapters: use of and use of I, you, and we. That's why I'm not writing here any topic name. Okay? 2 चैप्टर का हमने मर्ज किया है यूज ऑफ and use of I, you and we. And I, you and we. ठीक है that's why I'm not writing here any topic name. I have to write here question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using I, you, we, and. I, you, we, and. Okay, now one number, give one number here, dash am Rahul. RAHUL, Rahul. Okay, full stop. There are two options are here, I or we. I or we. From these two options, which one is correct one? Yes, am is always goes with I. am के साथ क्या लगता है हमेशा? I. That's why answer is I am Rahul. Second one is father, FATHER, father dash mother are my parents. PARENTS, parents. Full stop. Again there are two options, AND and you. Then answer will be a father, mother. Two persons are there. Then you is correct one? No, father and mother. Father and mother. Okay. Now third number, dash are a boy. Two options are there, AND and you. Okay. Dash are a boy. I are a boy? No. We are a boy? No. सिंगल है ना boy. Boys नहीं लिखा है, सिर्फ boy है. That's why answer is you. You are a boy. Fourth one is dash am a student. And the options are we, I. Again am is here. Then answer will be a I. I am a student. Okay, now fifth one is dash are friends. FRIENDS, friends. And the options are we and. Okay. Now dash are friends and are friends? No. The answer will be a we. We are friends. Why are you writing here we, not writing you? Because there is a plural, friends. बहुत सारे. That's why we have to use here we. We are friends. Now sixth number. Dash are my sister. Dash are my sister. Full stop. I, you. I are my sister? No. Answer is you are my sister. Now seventh one. Dash. Sorry, write down here we are playing bat dash ball. The two options I'm writing here, okay? Options are we or and. So answer is we are playing bat and ball. Bat and ball. That's why answer is and. Two objects are different using and, okay? And the last one is 8 number. Dash are farmers. 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 Full stop. And the options I, we. I are farmers? No. We are farmers. Many, plural, बहुत सारे farmers. That's why answer is we. We are farmers. Okay? Again, I will repeat it one more time. Dash, I am Rahul. I or we? I am Rahul. Father dash mother are my parents. And or you? Father and mother. Okay? Dash are a boy. And or you? You are a boy. Dash am a student. We are. Here is am. That's why answer is I am a student. Dash are friends. Friends. We or and? We. Answer is we are friends. Dash are my sister. I or you? You are my sister. Next, we are playing bat dash ball. We or and? Bat and ball. The last one is dash are farmers. I or we? I are farmers? No, it's wrong. We are farmers. Okay? Now write down at the last same HW, okay? Same HW. I hope आपको यूज ऑफ एंड, आई, यू एंड वी समझ में आ गया होगा. थैंक यू.